All right, what is going on, YouTube? I just want to preface this video and apologize for the unusual. This is going to be a trade recap of today's trade, Wednesday, December 27th, because I had my Zoom application open. So OBS recorded the Zoom application, like blocking the entire chart. I'll still keep it in the video, so just to, you guys can, I guess, hear my thought process and hear me talking about it as it's kind of playing out in the background. You'll still be able to kind of see it, but just so you guys can actually clearly see the trade we took today, here you go. So really quick, let me jump up to the 15-minute time frame. So I guess you guys can ignore these executions. I was considering taking I did take a trade. I did take a trade earlier pre-market after we took out the London high and basically closed it right at break even. My entry for a short here was 17.101.75, and I closed it basically one tick in profit because I just wasn't like what I was seeing, so I got out, and that ended up being the right decision because it shot up for buy side. So in the Discord earlier this morning pre-market, I said I wanted to see price take out buy side liquidity and then go and target these London lows. If I toggle this on, you guys can see my thought process here. Just a bunch of stacked equal lows here, 1 hour fair value gap, etc. So once we took out all this buy side, that was the low-hanging fruit liquidity pool that I wanted to target. So dropping down here to, we'll start with a 1 minute chart. We took the entry off of a 30-second chart, but after buy side was taken, we use this macro going into silver bullet hour for the entry. So vertical line, I'll just put it right here at 9:50 New York time, and then the macro ends obviously at 10 after, right? So the two vertical lines here basically just represent the macro. I'll make it a solid line just so it's a little bit easier on the eyes. But two possible entries here, and I did say this in the YouTube recording, but I basically said for those of you guys that have 1 minute charts, there's a 1 minute order block here that we could use for entry. I dropped it down to a 30-second chart, and I used this 30-second fair value gap for the entry. So to me, this was very clean 2022 model. We saw in the macro price run raid liquidity one more time, and if I'm not mistaken, we had SMT at the same time with either ES or Dow Jones. I don't remember, but we had 2022 model here, right? Raid buy side liquidity one more time, price sells off, market structure shift. I know it's not like the cleanest, most abrupt market structure shift, but either way, the draw I wanted to see was lower anyway, so I was willing to execute this because to me the draw on liquidity was all these lows down here. So entered short, 2 contracts, and then price sells off, went risk-free as we were coming up on this 5-minute fair value gap right here. So just to mark that out, that's what we were looking at in terms of going risk-free. I went risk-free slightly before that though, just assuming that we weren't even gonna pull back, which we didn't, thank God. So price sells off. Once we got below these relative equal lows here, coming up on opening range low, took a partial off basically right in the middle, and then I let the other contract run to, initially was just going to be the beginning of the 1 hour gap, but then as I was going to close it, I didn't have a limit set. As I was going to close it, price accelerated through there and ended up closing it down here right at 62 even. So I closed it right there is where I ended up getting out that second contract. So I even got a little bit more than I bargained for on that one. So very nice trade today. Didn't take anything else after this, obviously. Just wanted to be one and done, kind of expecting it to range for the most of AM session, if not the rest of the day at this point, because that's just how December has been behaving as of late. But yeah, great trade. First trade of the week. Didn't trade. Monday was Christmas, obviously, and then I didn't trade yesterday either, day after a bank holiday. No high impact news. Just felt like it was going to be a low probability, so I just wanted to stay away, and I did. So that was that first trade of the week. We'll look to end this year strong. Like I said, I apologize for the issue with the recording on the actual live session, but I guess at this point, I'll send you guys over to that portion of it if you guys want to watch it. Like I said, the Zoom application's covering it up, which sucks, but it is what it is. That's why I wanted to show you guys the executions at least. So there you have it, guys. Let me know if you guys caught this same trade today, and I apologize again. I will make sure I don't have that on my recording from this point forward. But enjoy your day, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So we'll see what we get. But at this very moment, because of all that, I am definitely bearish bias as of right now for today. Little 2022 model here on the 30-second chart. 1 minute order block. I don't mind that at all, guys. Let me see if we can get this. This 30-second fair value gap that is forming, it's not closed yet. We got 10 seconds or so left on the candle. I will take a short with my stop at this high inside this gap if we can get it. I'm going to take it all the way down. Down to there. Ooh. Let's see if it pops up in here, guys. There we go. 26. What are we doing? No. All right, guys. I entered a short. I ended up getting filled right here at 115. My stop loss is only not even 10 points. That's nice. 9 3/4 of a point here. So very light risk. Oh, buy stop. So first entry here, 2022 model here on the 30-second chart. Yeah, we don't got to worry about removing risk until we're in profit, but just eyeing up the chart would want to remove risk probably back at this 5-minute gap. All right, guys. You know what I'm going to do? Just because December has scared me so far, I removed risk, guys. We broke structure once. We're closing below. We're forming some gaps over top. Okay, good. So I really don't want to see a move back up here, truthfully. So I removed risk, guys. I removed risk. You know what? I will take at these lows. I'll take one off and just let the other one go. Why not, guys? Let's have some fun. You know what I'm saying? First trade back. My bills aren't like super expensive though. I'm not like out here renting a $10,000 crib. My bills are okay though. My rent is like $2,000 a month. My I guess my BMW is like $800 a month. There we go. But what you're seeing me trade on right now. So I took one contract off, guys. By the way, we're almost at the London lows, I believe. Yeah, London low is technically right here. Toggle this on. There we go. We just took London low. There we go. Oh wow. Oh wow. Nice. Nice. I got more out of that than I thought. All right, guys, I'm out. Very nice, guys. Ain't that just how we drew it up, folks? Yeah, I'm done for the day after that one.